Micsig has been a leading provider for battery-powered portable and handheld oscilloscopes for many years. These scopes are great for fieldwork or situations where no power source is handy. They are attractively priced and extremely user-friendly. They are offered with their trademark blue cases and prop stands. They also possess advanced product features, like an 8-inch touchscreen display and an HDMI output for connecting a large monitor or projector. Touchscreen control makes for fast operation, but traditional knobs and buttons are also there. One recent customer raved about his new Micsig scope. "I am delighted. It's intuitive, accurate, filled with innovative features, and has a large capacitive touchscreen, making settings fast and easy." Each model includes USB, LAN, trigger out, Wi-Fi, and excellent vertical sensitivity. You can even control these scopes from your smartphone. They also offer high-quality, high-voltage differential probes that are priced much lower than the competition. Find out more about Micsig in our newsletter here. Thank you for watching.